was just a boy, I wanted a gun and not just a toy. A blue steel beauty with an eagle eyesight, and I'd sleep with that baby every single night. I used my little orphan Annie ring to decode messages or anything. I drink my Ovaltine and shoot bad guys, and I put black X's right over their eyes. I want a Red Ryder BB gun. I want a Red Ryder BB gun. I helped my daddy change a tire one night. The snow was falling, but it's kinda light. A wrench knocked the lugs right down in the sludge, and I looked at my daddy and I said, oh fuck. I want a Red Ryder BB gun. I want a Red Ryder BB gun. Well, we got back home with the Christmas tree. I knew something awful's gonna happen to me. A mouthful of life, boy, is not very kind. Next thing you know, I've got a cane and I'm blind. I want